What's up guys, today we have this. It's a dehumidifier that I found on Amazon. So it's not the most expensive one in the world, as you can see. I'll drop a link in the description or in the comments and pin that one if it is in the comments. It is actually for a small space, possibly your bedroom, small areas. Dehumidifiers are just to reduce the amount of humidity in the air and reduce the growth of mildew and possibly other fungi or stuff that might want to grow in humid areas. Yeah? So, actually give me a second. I'm pulling up the specs of this thing because I can't remember how many square feet it can dehumidify. Hold up. Right. 260 square feet it can dehumidify, and has a 1 liter tank. Let's just get to the unboxing. So it looks like there's some kind of computer fan in there to draw the air in, I believe. Okay. Looks like there's a filter. Good. Wait, there's no fan. Now hang on a second. Where'd the fan go? It's cold. Probably because outside is cold as well. Guys, can you spot the fan? I'm having trouble finding it. Maybe it's behind there. Also can't be there because there's this metal grate on the inside. Well, whatever. As long as it works, I don't really care where the fan is. Oh wait, I gotta read it before I tear it off, as the instructions say. Recommend that you place the dehumidifier in a small area. Keep the doors and windows closed when using it. Okay. Do not use an environment below 8 degrees Celsius or 47 degrees Fahrenheit. It's normal, the adapter will get hot. Keep the air inlet, so air comes in on the back from being blocked and the air outlet on the top from being blocked. Okay. And please hold it with 2 hands when moving. Oh God. I hate it when it does that. If you're going to ask me to tear off a label, at least make it clean when you tear it off. Alright, pretty clean. Okay, that's good enough. That's done. This opens and it looks like there's a little float here. Very basic, but I guess it'll plug the outlet when it's full. So there's a little outlet down here that would presumably be plugged when the thing is full. Okay, so it can't collect any more water. Makes sense. Here's the power adapter. Looks pretty standard. So it's an external power supply. Just gotta unwrap this. Okay, let's spin this thing around, see where the plug is. Oh, right there in the middle. Good. And then here's the tank that collects water in. Let's stick that right back on. Okay, it kind of snaps into place. Good. And then just slide that right on. Looks easy enough, yeah? We know that's 1 liter. That's a bit small. Alright, time to plug it in. The lights will go out for a second because I am going to hook it up to this power strip. I haven't yet plugged in. are back. I'm gonna throw this cord down. Good. Now I'll plug it in. Good. It beeps. Alright, I guess that is good. Oh wow. There definitely is a fan in there somewhere. I can actually feel the air coming out of it. The buttons light up, so it's good. Let's see if we tap the light. Tap it once and it turns on. Tap it again, it does nothing. Tap it a third time, it turns off. Any manual instructions? Oh, there it is. So why can you tap it 3 times? Okay, when it's working, the 7-color LED, so it has RGB LED in this thing, just like modern gaming PCs. I don't know, if you have one, you would know what I'm talking about. When it's working, 7-color LED lights will turn on automatically. Press the light button to lock your desired color. Ooh, so that means if I really like this color, I can tap that light button and it locks it. And then tap it again to turn it off. And then press it once to turn it again, and it'll cycle colors. Okay, okay. Right, it hasn't collected any water yet, obviously. Actually, I want to get a humidity sensor, so stand by for a few seconds and we'll see the humidity in this room. It is winter as I film this. Heard the humidity decreases. Yeah, just feeling that. Alright guys, I don't know if you see that well, the battery's kind of dead. But it says 49% humidity. Well, at least here, in this house. Oh, 50% humidity. If I put it here, it should go down, right? Why'd the lights turn off? So not a drop of water, yet the humidity went down just a little bit. But yeah, I guess let it do its job and it'll collect water. Presumably, but of course not drinking water, obviously. And the humidity is going down as I put it on top of the grate. So I would say it's working. Yeah, but that's it for this video. That's all I have to say about it. The colors are nice, seriously. I'll turn off the lights. Oh, I just realized what I've done. I turned off the lights on the switch and that turns off. Hang on. I'll turn them off from here. I mean, seriously, those colors are nice. Turn my iMac around, which is over there. Look at that. Okay, but that's it for this video. I guess it's working. Haven't seen it collect any water. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.